For football fans around the world, the Euro Cup is one of the most important events in the sport. After the World, the Euro Cup, and the UEFA Champions League are some of the football's most significant events. Most people are more inclined to watch the World Cup because the Euro Cup only has European teams. Some of the world's best players are from outside Europe, so you probably won't be hearing about them in this video. Today, Purple Hippo brings you the 10 best Euro Championship kits of all time. Be sure to subscribe to Purple Hippo and ring the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Now let's start with number 10. Number 10. Italy. The Italian kits makes its place on our list at number 10 position. The powerhouse team needs a powerhouse kit to match. The kits have traditionally been dark blue color, and this time will be no different. The depth of the color blue is one of the best we have seen since FIFA. We need to take a minute to appreciate the artistic design which went into these kits. You will probably be seeing Italy wearing their famous dark blues in the 2020 Euro Cup, because as we know, the pandemic delayed not only the Olympics this year but the Euro Cup as well. Number 9. Belgium. The Belgium kit is another team with a fantastic kit. Their kit is one that certainly stands out when you look at it closely. If you're looking at the field, you might just notice the one shade of red. However, when you move closer in, you will notice that there are two. Again, that is one of the best things about these kits. There is so much personality that is ingrained into the design. Hence the reason that the kit for Belgium makes it to the number 9 spot on our list of best Euro kits. Tune in to 2021 to see the Hazard dominating the competition, wearing this aggressively red piece of art. Number 8. Spain. This is one of, if not most star-studded team in the entire tournament. The Spanish Giants are a force to be reckoned with, a statement which is not even up for debate. Spain has traditionally been one of the most dominant teams, not only in Euro Cup but in the World Cup as well. They have been famous for their red kits which strike fear into the hearts of their opponent. Perhaps one of the reasons that they have been so successful as a team might be because of their kits. Maybe the color red instills a sense of fear in the opposition, or maybe it's the fact that they are just amazing as a team. Consider reading up on the psychological effects which specific colors have. Number 7. Germany. The Germans are known to be one of the most aggressive and dominant teams in the international football. Other than the fact that they won the 2014 World Cup, the team happens to have some hard hitters on the roster, which makes them one of the most intimidating teams in the entire tournament. Traditionally, football has been a major part of the German culture, hence the reason why so many major stars happen to be German. You can see the Germans returning in 2020 wearing their classic white kits, with white hints of gray in it. No fancy color and no streak of highlights. They like to keep it as simple as possible. They look to come in, win, and get out. The Germans definitely mean business. Number 6. Austria. Perhaps the only team in the tournament which wears the color black, but feel free to correct us if we are wrong. Austria isn't known to be one of the better countries when it comes to football, but they certainly do have an amazing kit which they wear. The black stands out on the green field and come off as immensely intimidating. Much like red, the black kits have a menace to them, which can make for some psychological intimidation on the field. Looking at the kit, you realize why they take the number 6 place on the list. Number 5. Switzerland. The Swiss team is one that not many people other than the country's locals follow. However, one of the best things about this team is their kits. The white kits with a hint of pink can be an absolute treat on the ice. Again, the Swiss team can look like a regular kit from a distance. However, up close, it can be one of the most interesting kits to look at. Here we have reached the number 5 spot. Do you have any idea as to which team is going to take the number 1 position? Here's a hint. They have won the World Cup and Euro Cup in the past. Number 4, Finland. In our opinion, Finland has one of the nicest kits in Europe. Yet another team that supports the color white, they do it in a very elegant way. There is something so simplistic yet elegant about Finland's kit that you find yourself staring at it fairly often. If you consider buying a kit, you could probably match it with just about any pants or shorts, since it has a range of neutral colors. We honestly think that Finland has one of the most minimally elegant kits in all of Europe, hence the reason it makes it to the number 4 spot. Number 3, England. The list can't be complete without having the British on the list. Not only have they been a major name in international football, but their kits have been sold throughout the world. This is mainly due to the team's popularity, but also because of how well their kits have been designed. The simple white with the gray shoulders makes for an amazing simple yet elegant tone of color. Much like the Finnish kit, it radiates simplicity. However, the one thing which makes it stand out is ironically the England badge. Never had a badge tied in so well to a shirt design. Number 2, Portugal. Portugal came to be known as one of the most dominant teams in the tournament, simply for one reason: Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo is arguably the best player in the world at the moment, and you can see that through his performance at the 2016 Euro Cup. The Portuguese kits have been through the world simply because of Cristiano Ronaldo's popularity. We can say if they would have reached such astronomical sales without the sports superstar. Now that we have made our way to number 1 position, surely you would have guessed which team takes the gold position. Number 1, France. The French kit is one of the most interestingly designed kits in international football. Not only are they known as one of the best teams, but their kits are some of the best looking pieces of fashion which we have seen in any sport. With Paris being the fashion capital of the world, it's not surprising that they would have some of the best looking kits in Europe. If you're ever looking at collecting a few jerseys, make sure you add a couple of French kits into the collection, as not only do they look amazing, they are now a little piece of history as well. It was kind of obvious that France would be taking the number 1 position. We tried to hide it as much as possible, but come on, they really stand out. So guys, that's it. These were the 10 best Euro Championship kits of all time. If you have come this far, please subscribe to Purple Hippo and give us a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on the notifications on for our page to get updates as to when our new videos comes up. Also, tell us what your favorite kit from the Euro League was. Surely you would have had a favorite, right? If not, tell us if you think that we have missed any of the popular kits, and we might consider making another video and adding them in. With that said, thanks for all the support. Make sure you stick around on our channel to check out some of the other videos. Until then, take care. See you in the next video.